is what we've all been waiting for. Murray McMurray. No, it's not chickens. Those are coming next month, so be looking for that video. This is a brooder pen. It's the starter kit and an additional pen besides that. So what it is these panels, and it's pretty big, but I think it's gonna work. So anyway, so this is there's two pens. They're exactly the same, and I like this because they can be folded up when they're not being used. And had I thought about it a little more, I probably would have, went and got a couple of plastic totes from Walmart and not spent this extra money. But this is my first time since I was a little girl raising baby chicks, and I just didn't want to risk not having them in a proper space. So that's why I went ahead and went this route. I spent the extra money. And I went ahead and got the nice big pen for them. So I ordered an extra so that I would have enough space for all of them. I don't want them to be crowded. I don't want them suffocating or, you can't see my pajamas. Okay. Anyways. So, with this kit, there is the pens. Then there is this that attaches to those two empty spaces. It came with zip ties, and you put... I'm going to have to check on this and research on this to make sure I know that I'm doing it right, because I don't want to mess this up. Maybe if I put it through there, ooh, maybe that would work. That way it's not so flimsy, or not flimsy, but that way it's not like rolling around. Okay, so it came with the stand that hooks to the ends here. It came with zip ties to attach this to the pen. It came with a light, and it also came with a feeder, a thermometer, a light bulb it's a heat lamp. It came with a water and the little nutrition pack. It's got vitamins and electrolytes, which that's cool to put in their water. It came with, so much for the light. Really? So I'm gonna have to order another light. Really? Ugh. Okay, so like I said, it came with the zip ties, and then it came with that wing nut and a screw, and I'm not sure exactly what that's for yet. I'm going to have to check on that. Okay. And because I got the extra pen, I also got another thing. It came with it. Another light bulb, another light fixture. And it's got the hanging clamp thing on it. And another light bulb that I'm going to be extremely careful with this time. And I had to order that separately from the lamp. The lamp, you can buy the lamp by itself. You buy the lamp by itself, and then you have to order the light bulb extra. Unless you get the kit, and then the kit, it comes with it. So I am very happy with the things that I got. It is not flimsy feeling plastic. It's actually pretty thick plastic. It's pretty sturdy from what I can tell. A lot more sturdy than the light bulb, apparently. But that was my bad. So I will have to get another light bulb. But this is what I got. And like I said, the joys of being a class. I'm wore out, and I ain't even got the chickens yet. Anyways, so this is my chicken pen from McMurray's. The brooder pen. Okay, let me do that over. This is my brooder pen from McMurray's. And that's not all. Shoot. A week ago, I got my box from McMurray's. She's tickling my hand. You wanna do it, kitty? Or wanna say hello? Yeah. You're such a pretty girl. Yes, you was.
You better edit that into the video, Mama. Otherwise, she's gonna bite your toes while you're sleeping.
Now get off my counter. Okay. Hello. My knife from Jerry's Wood Shop. I'm using it right now. This thing is a dream. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, this is my fence from Premier1. Oh, yeah. It's getting real, y'all. Here is spark plug thingies. No, that's not what that is. They're like this. No, okay. This is these are the pieces for the electric fence. They hook up to the solar power that's in here.
Hey, Mom.
Yes.
Where are your lip tweezers? I need some to get this thing out of my finger. I love you.
I love you too.
Please stop. Why?
We've got solar. That's funny, y'all. I don't care who you are.
Stupid.
Y'all, I got a package.
It's so big it doesn't fit in the screen.
It's kind of heavy.
It looks like Godzilla trying to pick up the Empire State.
Okay. Stop running from me. Okay.
So,
I know.
we all know. You're so dorky. I am too. Huh?
Okay, this is the fence. Stop. Okay, this can work. This can still work.
It can.
Ooh, ooh.
So,
Hold on while I turn this around.
chicken feathers.
Oh, some stuff just fell out the bottom.
I'm about to fall out the bottom of Stanley.
I feel like I'm doing like itsy bitsy spider. Wait. Oh boy. Hey, hey, Joel. Could you? I'm trying not to hit the ceiling.
Hey Mom, I'm gonna go do some chores.
Yeah.
You do that.
I haven't read the directions yet. I will do a separate video on how to use it all. But this is just me taking it out of the package. It came with these weapons to stab predators when they try to get to the chickens. So not only are they protecting your chickens with the wire and the electric shock, they also sent me spiky things to stab. I'm just kidding.
They're
No.
used to put chickens on shish kebabs.
Too much? Yeah, okay, never mind.
Ah,
It came with a tester to check your electrical currents in
I
the
came
fence.
with a tester.
These are for the four corners. I'm pretty sure.
The four corners of the earth.
Okay.
Shall be
It's all
different.
making sense to me now. Ish. Bless you.
I just nerdled.
I want to preserve the integrity of the fence and all the things that are inside of it. So I'm not going to take this whole thing out of the package. But if I can get it up here where I can show you, there is how they transported the things. I'm not doing it. I'm not starting over. No. Not again. Not this time.
Why don't we go to Iowa and start over?
Love you, fam.